Alright, so we are getting straight into this DIY, the first DIY for this Vlogmas season. So I have here, these are actually casuarina seeds. So I am spreading them out on the newspaper. Please tell me why I decided to use the obituaries. I don't know, but rest in peace. Anyway, I went ahead and I sprayed them with spray paint. I am using gold and I'm also going to use a rose gold. Let me also make sure to mention that over on my IG I am opening up my advent calendar every day up until Christmas Eve. So if you want to see what I got today, go ahead and head on over. So we right here, my father and I, we are just tag teaming. He is using the gold, I am using the rose gold. And let me just tell you, if you are doing this, wear gloves. I got my nails stained with spray paint and all of that, so if you don't want that, wear gloves. So this is what the end result looks like. I should have changed the contrast on the camera because you can't see here, but you will be able to tell the difference later on. Y'all, this was a labor of love, let me tell you, but I love the end result. So what I have here is a pair of scissors. Do not use your fabric scissors, use a pair of scissors that you don't mind getting dull. And I went ahead and I snipped the stems off of all of the seeds. So I have here the bottom of a pizza box. You could use whatever cardboard you could find. This is what I had available, and I just went ahead and I used a lid of a bucket. Whatever size wreath you want, you can find a circle that is that size and shape. Go ahead and use it. Use what you have. So with the pen, I am just connecting the circle to make sure that I have a circle and I cut it out correctly. So once that is done, then I am going in with a smaller bottle. This is actually a bleach container, empty bleach container, and I'm placing it in the middle. You can see here that I'm gonna get the shape of a wreath. So it's basically like a donut. I'm gonna cut out the middle and then I'm gonna cut around the, what is that, the circumference. So again, with my scissors that is gonna forever be dull, I'm just cutting out the outside circle as I told you, and then I'm gonna cut out the inside. Once that's done, I'm going in with my X-Acto file. Now y'all, be careful with this. Please be careful with this. It's so easy to cut yourself. Be careful with this. So I'm just gonna obviously trace out the inner circle so I can cut it out. And just toss that away. You don't need that inside part. Just toss that away. And you will have this wreath shape, which looks like a donut or a wreath as it is. And off camera, I went ahead and I spray painted this gold, and I did this because the casuarina seeds, when I place them down, there are going to be some little minor gaps, and I wanted to make sure that everything blended together seamlessly. So remember, I told you this was a labor of love. I was not exaggerating. I have my trusty dusty glue gun with glue sticks, and I am going to meticulously place these seeds onto the cardboard. So I did alternating colors, so I did gold and then I did rose gold. I just have OCD like that, and that is the aesthetic I was going for. But yeah, you can feel free to do whatever you see fit, and y'all use your creativity, be ingenious. These casuarina seeds were on the beach, and I figured why not incorporate something that is free. So feel free to use whatever seeds or raw materials you have at home. So I am just gonna zoom through, speed through this so that you can get an idea of what I'm doing. I'm gonna go all around the outside, and then I'm gonna go in the second row and fill in until it is complete. And this is what it looks like when one row is complete. So I wanted it to look a little more complete, a little more done. So I went ahead and I added another row on top of the first row, and this really made it more of a 3D actual wreath like look. Again, going in with the alternating colors, and this is the end result. You can hang it indoors, you can hang it outdoors. You can actually see the gold and rose gold colors. Y'all, I am in love. And to hang it up, all I did was I added a piece of string to the back of it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this DIY. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So I'll catch you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Bye bye.